Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi K80 Pro with perfectly balanced design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.67 inches Quad HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 89.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 526 ppi pixel density, 3200 nits peak brightness, Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm light fusion 800 sensor main camera with aperture 1.6 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 60mm Samsung S5 KJN5 sensor 2.5x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.0 and support optical image stabilization, and with 32 megapixel 15mm Samsung S5 KKD1 sensor ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 20 megapixel Omnivision OV20B40 sensor centered punch hole front facing camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS 2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.26 by 74.95 by 8.39 mm, and it weighs around 212 or 217 grams, and the color options: Lamborghini green, Lamborghini black, black, white, mint colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 120 watt wired fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features ultrasonic under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control port support, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi K80 Pro has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,299 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 4,799 Chinese yuan, while the Lamborghini Special Edition 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi K80 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.